Oh. Yeah. Poison ivy. You like that? Alright, good too. Do. I got something. You know you got poison ivy out there?
Poison ivy?
Yeah, no, why am I holding it? I'm allergic to that stuff.
Well, I don't have any poison ivy out there.
Yeah, it looks a lot like poison ivy. I don't really want to touch it, but that poison ivy.
You mean that nice little green leaves out there on the lawn?
Alright, well, I'm gonna burn them.
What? You're not going to take care of those plants. Those are my little plants.
Did you fix your teeth yet?
What's wrong with my teeth?
Mama said she ain't gonna let you come to the Christmas party if you don't fix your teeth.
Everybody got a problem like my teeth are fine and my teeth go no.
Oh, it smells terrible. Is that the cheese? Did you poop in here?
What are you talking about? I'm not even in the bathroom.
Why don't you poop outside like normal people?
What, are you implying that I am a dog?
No, we're out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, nobody's gonna see you.
You leave my chocolates and my cheese alone. I got those from my new boyfriend.
New boyfriend?
Yes, that's my new boyfriend. Valentine's presents for me.
I want to see. I need to meet this man.
Well, he's coming over later on.
I'm gonna give him some of this poison ivy.
Leave my plants
Your freaking poop cheese. I've just about had enough of your poop cheese. I don't like him already.
Well, you're gonna like him because he's coming over this evening.
Well, he better like radishes.
Not everybody likes radishes, Billy.
It's our family recipe. It's our family farm. That's what we do.
Yo, Rocco, thanks for the ride.
No problem.
Oh, I'm going to see my dream girl.
Good luck. That photo's stuck in my mind now. What is wrong with him?
Hey! What? Stop right there. I'll teach you about that.
Oh! Wake up. Wake up. Coley, wake up! That's what happens when you date a crazy woman.
Oh, what are you talking about, yo? She's pretty.
You just got knocked the hell out of some random guy.
Oh. So much. Who's this? Yo, SirCooly awesome. How can I help you?
You was the one that sent flowers up. I'm all itchy. No, I don't want to hear it.
What? She's my girlfriend, dog.
I don't want you here ever again. I'm so itchy, man. I can't stand it. Yes. And I'm telling you, you were supposed to like radishes. You didn't. I knew there's something weird about you.
Radishes?
I knew there's something weird about you. Yeah.
Dog, are you on something?
It's a family thing. Don't worry about it. Radishes, yes.
Okay. Big radishes, whatever.
Well, okay, whatever.
What else?
And just don't come around here again. I'm not trying to get poison ivy.
Oh, Colleen's still my girlfriend, dog. I'm gonna still go and visit her and everything else.
Whatever. It was nice to... Okay, cool. Goodbye. Goodbye! and find everything.